Alright, so for this video, I'm just going to discuss to you the dashboard of GoHighLevel. Now, when you log into GoHighLevel, the first thing that you will land on is your dashboard. So if you're a user or an admin into a sub-account, then most probably this is the first thing that you will land on unless the agency configures something else or they disable the dashboard completely. But if they did not, then this is the basic or the standard dashboard or the default dashboard that GoHighLevel will provide to sub-accounts. And this dashboard is just like, kind of an overview of what's happening into your account, depending on the widgets that's in here. For example, this is the standard dashboard that gives you an overview of the pipelines and opportunities that you have, or the funnel, and this distribution of the stages of your leads, distribution of your leads in the pipeline stages. There's also a task widget in here and some manual actions that has been done in your account. Some lead source reporting where your leads are coming from, whether they're from paid ads, Google search, or organic, or referral, and all those stuff, or social even. Google Analytics report is if you connect your Google account that has your website's Google Analytics, it will pull that data as well from here. So you don't have to go to Google Analytics just to see the traffic of your website. What else do we have? Google My Business Profile. So if you connect your Google account where your My Business Profile is in, then you will see the statistic here as well. But pretty much, you also hear the Facebook ads reports as well as Google ads report. These are kind of integrated connections. So if you connect your Google account that contains your Google My Business profile, your Google Analytics profile, and even your AdWords account, then you can also see those reporting in here using this widgets in here. Now there's just overview. So it just pulls the data from those other applications and show the reporting from here. Facebook ads report, if you connect your Facebook accounts or your where your meta ads are, then it will also show um, the ad reporting in here. So I would say that these reports are not comprehensive. Um, in my opinion, so because in Facebook ads reports kind of give you an overview of what's happening to your ad account, whether if you have multiple campaigns and all those stuff, it just show you here the totality of all the campaigns in your ad account. So it's not comprehensive, I would say. But you can also see that here in reporting, there's also some reporting here that just pulls data from your connected accounts like Google Ads report, Facebook ads reports, and all those stuff. Now going back to the dashboard, now the widgets that you see here are fully customizable. That is if the agency provides you with that permission. So if you don't have that permission, then you cannot edit this dashboard. And also it's only available to the agency plan as well as the SaaS plan where you can edit this dashboard and if you have the permission. In the agency plan, you can edit the dashboards, but you can only have one dashboard. However, in the SaaS plan, which is the highest plan, 497 plan, you can edit and have as many dashboards as you want. So, for example, if I edit it, since I'm in the lowest plan, it prompts me to upgrade. Now, if you're in the SaaS plan, you can configure add more dashboard. So you can have multiple dashboard that tracks different metrics. But overall, um, if you're in the lowest plan, you cannot do much, I would say. And that's pretty much it for the dashboard. So it just gives you an overview, like a capsule version of what's happening to your account. Now, these widgets are fully customizable as long as you're in the higher plans. But unfortunately, you're stuck with this if you're in the lowest plan, which is the 97 plan, and which is what I'm showing to you. So that's it for the dashboard. Let's move on to the next video or next feature of GoHighLevel, which is conversations.